Hey everyone, welcome back. In this session, we will know about some basic functions can be applied on a list. Okay, first one is the len function. Len function, which we studied before also, this can be applied on any data type. Len function gives us the length of the list. Okay, now here my list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I want the length of the list. So I have applied the len function and as an argument I have passed the list. Okay, now if I print, it will give us the length of the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Next, max. Max will give the maximum value from the list. So if I run it, it will give us the maximum value, that is 9. Okay. Minimum, same. It will give us the minimum value of the list. So the output will be 1. Okay. Now what about count function? Count function will give us the number of occurrences of any element. Here I have given count of 2. That means how many times 2 is occurring in the list. 1, 2, 3, 3 times. So the output will be 3. Okay. Now if I give 5. How many times 5 is occurring in the list? Only 1 time. So the output will be 1. Okay. So count gives the number of occurrences. Next is index. Index position helps to find the index of a specific element. Here I am giving 3. That means 3 is in which index position? 0, 1, 2. In second position. So the output will be 2. Okay. Now if I write 5. What will be the output? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is in fifth position only. Okay, so it gives us the index position. Now let's understand reverse function. Reverse function means it will simply reverse the list. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I run reverse, then it will be reversed. Okay, so suppose I give 20, 25. Now if I run it, see the same list will be simply reversed. How I can access the function? MyList dot reverse. Okay. Now let's understand sort versus sorted. Both of them are used to sort a list but works in a slightly different manner. Now let's understand the difference. My list equal to I have taken a list. Now if I apply my list dot sort and then I try to print the my list, what will happen? This will sort the list. Okay. But suppose if I want to print this way dot sort. Now if I run this, do you think that it will sort the list as output? No. It will give us none. Why? Because it doesn't return anything. It sorts the existing list, but it doesn't return a new list. Okay. Then what is sorted? Same, I have taken a list and now I have been applying sorted function on the list. Now if I print this, see the sorted list will be printed. So sorted function returns a new list, sorted list. But sort function doesn't return anything, it modifies the existing list. Now if I print my list, what will happen? My list will be sorted or my list will remain same? It will remain same. That is the difference between sort and sorted. In sorted function, it returns a new modified list and it doesn't change the original list. But in sort function, it modifies the existing list and it doesn't return anything. Clear? Now this is all for today. In our next class, we will study about list comprehension and we will try to do many programmings based on the concept. Okay, till then, bye. Happy learning.